Hi everyone. Now let's talk about how to create tuple data structure in multiple ways. So now let's see here. We can take it method 1, that you can directly take it like tuple, or you can say whatever the data that, or you can say the variable name that you can take it here, and then values that you can pass Raju, and then whatever the value, okay, and you can say Venkat, and like this. So I'm just taking cross verify whether it is tuple or not first, okay, then type of tup, okay, that is a dataset name, then print of, so execute. Now this is the tuple. This is one method that you can able to create tuple data structure, and we have another method 2 here. So how we can create tuple data structure, let's see here. So data structure name, then you can take it like Venkat, and then Tini, whatever the values that you can take it, okay, and then Uma. So these are the values that, now what I'm trying to take here, print of type of tup, and then here print of, and then the data structure name values that you can display like this. So this is how we can create one more method in tuple creation. This is default, we are not passing any symbol here. So default data structure, that is tuple here, and then we have another method, that is, see, we have another method creation in tuple creation. So how we can see, now creating empty tuple first, and you can say create empty tuple, and then how we are creating empty tuple, or you can say something, and then you just use like this, that's it. So no need to worry about it. So then we can able to understand this is the tuple empty data structure. Now what we need to do, you can say list of data, or you can say whatever the data that you can take it here, and then what I'm trying to do, 100, 900, 800, 200. So these are the list values. If you want, you can verify also. So print of type of list underscore data, and then print of list underscore data here. Now what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to convert into tuple. Now we need to use tuple object, tuple of, then whatever the data that we have in list, you can take it that, okay, list of data, then after this print of, then what we need to do, just you can create print of, then type of here tuple 1, and then print of, then you can say tuple 1 values. So now execute here, what will be the result now, see. So we don't require this empty also. Now you take directly list data, and then type of list, and then we are converting from list values to tuple. So we can able to create tuple data structure from list data structure also. Previously it list, and now it is converted into tuple. So this is how we can able to create multiple ways this tuple data structure, okay. So thank you so much, and see you in the next class.